of 25 plus cube root of 27? Is it A, 7, B, 8, C, 9, or D, 10? Welcome to Nova Mathics. In this lesson, we will learn about square roots and cube roots. Let's explore how numbers connect through radicals, step by step. 1. What is the square root of 81? Correct answer is 9. 9 times 9 equals 81. So the square root is 9. 2. What is the square root of 64? Correct answer is 8. 8 squared is 64, so the root is 8. 3. What is the square root of 49? Correct answer is 7. 7 squared is 49, so the root is 7. 4. What is the square root of 36? Correct answer is 6. 6 squared is 36, so the root is 6. 5. What is the square root of 25? Correct answer is 5. 5 squared is 25, so the root is 5. 6. What is the square root of 16? Correct answer is 4. 4 squared is 16, so the root is 4. 7. What is the square root of 100? Correct answer is 10. 10 squared is 100, so the root is 10. 8. What is the square root of 121? Correct answer is 11. 11 squared is 121, so the root is 11. 9. What is the square root of 144? Correct answer is 12. 12 squared is 144, so the root is 12. 10. What is the square root of 9? Correct answer is 3. 3 squared is 9, so the root is 3. 11. What is the square root of 4? Correct answer is 2. 2 squared is 4, so the root is 2. 12. What is the square root of 1? Correct answer is 1. 1 squared is 1, so the root is 1. 13. A square has an area of 49. What is its side length? Correct answer is 7. Square root of 49 gives side 7. 14. A square has an area of 36. What is its perimeter? Correct answer is 24. Side 6 times 4 makes 24. 15. Which is larger, the square root of 64 or the square root of 81? Correct answer is square root of 81. 9 is bigger than 8, so square root of 81 is larger. 16. What is the cube root of 8? Correct answer is 2. 2 cubed is 8, so the cube root is 2. 17. What is the cube root of 27? Correct answer is 3. 3 cubed is 27, so the cube root is 3. 18. What is the cube root of 64? Correct answer is 4. 4 cubed is 64, so the cube root is 4. 19. What is the cube root of 125? Correct answer is 5. 5 cubed is 125, so the cube root is 5. 20. What is the cube root of 216? Correct answer is 6. 6 cubed is 216, so the cube root is 6. 21. Which is larger, the cube root of 64 or the cube root of 125? Correct answer is cube root of 125. Cube root of 64 equals 4. Cube root of 125 equals 5. And 5 is greater than 4. So the cube root of 125 is greater. 22. A cube has a volume of 27. What is its edge length? Correct answer is 3. Cube with volume 27 has side 3. 23. A cube has a volume of 64. What is its edge length? Correct answer is 4. Cube with volume 64 has side 4. 24. Which is larger, the square root of 49 or the cube root of 64? Correct answer is square root of 49. Square root of 49 equals 7. Cube root of 64 equals 4. And 7 is greater than 4. So the square root of 49 is larger. 25. Find the square root of 25 plus the cube root of 27. Correct answer is 8. Square root of 25 equals 5. Cube root of 27 equals 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. 26. Which cube root equals 5? Correct answer is cube root of 125 is 5. 27. What is the square root of 100 minus the cube root of 8? Correct answer is 8. Square root of 100 equals 10. Cube root of 8 equals 2. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 28. Which is equal to 6? The square root of 36 or the cube root of 216? Correct answer is both. Square root of 36 equals 6 and cube root of 216 equals 6. Both give 6. 29. A square has a side length of 12. What is its area? Correct answer is 144. Area equals 12 squared equals 144. 30. A cube has a volume of 125. What is its edge length? Correct answer is 5. Cube with volume 125 has side 5. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you in the next one.